Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing fine wherever you are. Guys, as you can see, I am in my hotel room here in Azerbaijan. I'm still here, guys. This is my third day already. Yeah, I'm excited. So guys, since I came here, I've not shown you my room, and today they changed my hotel room, and I'm like, before I start messing around, let me show you where I stay as I enjoy my short holiday. Guys, first of all, as you understand, I travel on a budget, and this is a 3-star hotel, guys. It's so nice, beautiful, comfortable. I mean, like, everything about these rooms, I love it. The other room and this one, they are really nice and big. You will see by yourself. Okay, so if you're planning to come to Azerbaijan, Baku, or planning to travel on a budget, these are the kinds of places I would recommend you to stay. Okay, so let's get started. I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about this room. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video for more videos around Azerbaijan. So guys, this is where I stay, just adjacent to this museum, Grand in Baku. This is my hotel. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's in a very good spot. This is the famous museum, and around here, like, very busy place. And on this other side, this is how it looks like. It's around 8 p.m. right now. Grand Inn Baku Hotel. Hi, good. How are you? So guys, I'm going to start here from the entrance. This is the main entrance, I mean from the door, and you come here. This is the bathroom, and of course that is me. Ooh. Guys, this is my bathroom. So this is how it looks like. Let's see the floor. I didn't touch anything so far because this is my new room. I changed, so it's still clean. Everything is sparkling clean. The mirror, the bathroom, I mean everything normal hotel room. Okay, shower, we have towels there, I mean everything. And this is how it looks like. This is the door, the bathroom door. Okay, and from the bathroom door, this is the cabinet where you store your things. It's glasses everywhere, so I don't need to struggle with the mirror. And okay, let me show you. That is the door, and it's normal, guys. I have my key there. I can put my stuff there. Let me open the cabinet and show you. This is how it looks like. Very clean. I have my slippers, bathrobes. I mean normal stuff. Yeah, I don't have even a lot of things to put inside all these cabinets, guys, and more mirrors. Ooh. And on this other side, there is a very comfy couch. It's the same actually with the one I had in the other place. I just changed this hotel room today, and of course, this is my suitcase, dustbin. Oh, there is a fridge here. It's the same, yeah. The fridge, I believe there is nothing inside because I just came in. And small TV there. I mean, it's enough for me. I don't even watch TV. I don't have time. And of course, normal stuff, water, boiling kettle, sugar, everything is here as normal. And that is the view, guys. That is the view. Let me just try to open this curtain and show you the view from outside. This is the view from my hotel. Oh, I love it, guys. You have no idea how the weather is. I hope you watch my other videos. See, that is the view. I love it, guys. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. So this is the curtain. I will open the windows later. So that is how it looks like. Okay. It has aircon, normal, and then now on this other side, it has normal drawers, you know. And then of course I have a big bed. Don't worry about it's messed up already because I've already jammed on it and everything. Yeah, I already forgot to show you guys where I stay here in Baku, Azerbaijan. And on this other side, it's the same thing. I have a phone. If I want to call, I need something, I just press and that is it. Yeah, so that's all about my hotel room. Let me know what you think about. Oh, I forgot to show you the floor. The floor is sparkling clean. It's so nice. See that? There is something here. Oh, there is a heater. Yeah, I forgot to show you the heater, guys. Yeah, during, you see, during winter, I think this is it. Yeah,